namacalne. Boże! Boże święty! Ja pierdolę! Haha, mam to na streamie. Przepraszam was, ja muszę to wyciąć. Czy to jest... To jest minimalware! Boże święty! Fajnie obrobić. I że jeszcze na taśmie. Jakbym miał jakąś umowę z Gabenem. O Boże, prawie. Nie! 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 Dobra. Dobra. Zobaczmy to. Tu już to... To jest kolejne 1000... Uszczypnijcie mnie.
I just got a knife. Are you kidding me? I just got a Bowie knife moral fade. I'm not even shitting. Guys, no. I swear to God. I just got a knife. Guys, no. I'm not kidding. No. No, please. I'm not even kidding. I just got a knife. I just got a Bowie knife marble fade. 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 Let's go. Let's go.
Just the case. That's tough. That's a knife. It's a knife.
It's a
knife. Holy fuck! Wait! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo!
Wait! Bro, what?
I told you, man!
Wait, no fucking way! Wait!
No! Holy fuck! No! Fucking no! No fucking way! Holy fuck!
Turn those lights off. There aren't any, bro. That's not. That's outside. Wait. Wait. No way. Wait. Yo, equip it? Shroxy, hello?
Cheat on there, but it's like, I don't know, it's MM, like it doesn't matter. Why? Because we're celebrating. What the fuck? There's no way. Another? It's so bad again. What?
Dale, sí, esa.
Esta,
Esa. Vamos por la USP, muchacho. La USP. Aquí está. Uy, mire, me parece que está mínima y hueá.
Sí, nene. Amigo, está nazi, bro. Está nazi.
Number 5 will bomb right.
Bomb right. Oh, Glock.
Wait! No! Wait!
Harry, stop. Harry, please stop. Okej, och hur många var det där?
Så som ni. Jag ska få fire serpent. 300 gånger ni.
What?
Oh god, don't have my
Battlescard.
Jag kollade.
What? Har du fått ett kärt nu på det?
Holy fuck!
Wait, what the fuck? Wait!
Hey, that's lit though. That's lit. I told you I don't care if it's shit.
I see what's open and just bite it.
Oh, got it! Got it! Fucking got it! Oh my god, he's so fucking ugly! What the fuck, man?
I think I know what you should do. What? Give you the riots? I pass in the. Oh my god!
Bruh. Mug just had a heart attack.
Yo, what the fuck just happened?
He just had a stroke. He just got an aquamarine revenge.
Yeah.
He had a stroke.
Alright.
Bye.
Clicked.
I'll be tilted if you fucking pull up.
Wait, what's the knife pull, bro? What's the knife pull?
Oh my god. Oh my
god.
Cunt. Are you fucking serious, bro? Oh my god, cunt.
That's incredible, boys.
That's incredible. Stiletto case hardened.
That's
Turn
got
it
to
around.
be.
Turn it around.
Give it a spin.
Oh my.
Died, I don't think. Nope.
I just got a knife.
No fucking way. Holy shit. What the
Wow.
fuck?
Can you just get the dragon lore one already?
Is there a dragon lore? Oh, there is one.
22.
I doubt I did it. Oh wow, I just got it.
Did you actually?
Yes.
It's not
That's
worth
actually mad.
Oh baby, they could just line up for this. So many players about to round this corner, and Kenny's gonna just have to hit some heads. He's anxious for them, and it's just the first. He's able to fall back. He's got to put his weapon back together, and he will. It's a good time flashbang, but he knows the magazine's low. Now he's got the knife out. It's a stab onto Issa. Oh my god. And the headshot onto Valda. Hunter's gonna help him out from pit, so Alexi B is all alone in a 1 versus 5.
Just 2 loss, and as they should be. Look how much pressure they're putting. I don't think G2 know how close they are downstairs. Kenny will now get that hint. Oh, he's opting for the vent. That might be a good idea. He'll catch one. Can also fall back. Dangerous position here.
Oh, double! Oh, so nice! Comes back in, skewers 2, and then Nexus seals this off. G2, come on,
Let
man.
him have it. That's
Give
beautiful.
them a chance, would you? It is just individual prowess.
Founding SMG into B. 5 members of Mouse are about to barrage into Amanek's crosshair. See how he handles it, and he was expecting the flashes. He ends up just getting humiliated. Staring at the wall, Kenny. He's looking for more, and this is phenomenal stuff. Holding the wolf from the door with an AWP of all weapons. If he finds another one, man, he's already gone above and beyond. Flashes, looks like he wants some more. Rops is on those close boxes. He does drop in, and Kenny, he's doing it. Oh, it's Kenny, yes, baby. Never forget the name. 4 kills. He finds G2 the 9th by force.
Beautiful stuff from Kenny. Molotov's down. It's actually a straight up big rush at this point. Mac-10s have broken through. Chris J to be tested, and Rops now, he's got the first, but I think he'll struggle to get Hunter. They've got the B side now.
And Kenny's caught one on the rotate. Oh no! A missed smoke, but Kenny does not miss the shot. That looks unhuman. Here's the steps, and with the flash as well, he still manages to prevail, but will he preserve? Looking to head back to spawn, and Kenny, he's not done hitting shots this round. He adds his 28th to the tally with a banger through the doors.
Simple's gonna drop the shot, and that enables G2 to cross over to Tetris, but this is a classic trap. You've gotten stuck on Tetris, and you need somebody to crack open this bomb site. It looks like Kenny could be their man. He comes in from connector. Oh, has cover, and the quick shot versus electronic. Oh, another! Perfecto! Dropped off of Catwalk, but the time...
They did it multiple times back on Dust 2. Their first 2 rounds were, 2 rounds that weren't separated, at least on CT side, Dust 2 were ecos, in the same vein. So, Astralis lose some money, but they will have a reinvestment. Devices orb gone immediately. Kenny is quick. He's not even looking at them, and he's still firing off kills. 4 for Kenny. Blink and you miss it. This round is done. Astralis, oh my. They're made to look like fools by Kenny S. And G2 just a kill away from a 4th round. There it is. It's the ace for Kenny with the AWP as well. He picks it up, and he knocks them down. Oh, vintage stuff.
They're going to leave Kenny solo on the site. Hello. Oh, Olaf wasn't ready for it either. And now this duel, and Kenny's won it. Oh, my goodness.
No.
Olaf's going to be so mad at that one. They're trying to go B. Shots from the A site do clip. Rain on the way in, and Kenny, he can see the arm Another frag. Brokey boosted. It means he knows where they're coming. The commitment's on its way. And Kenny, he is playing a sublime game of Counter-Strike today. Holding the line. Misses his first, but won't make the same mistake again. Looking for the ace. It's Kenny. Yes, baby. He fights back and finds the 19th. This overtime continues.
Next are at 20. Aminek at 19. Kenny and Hunter at 16 and 15. That's a tremendous team effort coming out right now from G2. What a revelation they've been this tournament. Oh, and a wall bangs shooting.
Oh, he got both!
No way!
Have you ever seen anything like it? Kenny S.
Just hanging out down there. Chance for an early kill on RPK. That is a round-winning frag. Unless Saibu can catch Kenny. Yeah, he's up there. Oh, Kenny with the Tech 9 jumping to take him down. No bomb is being caught this time around. Kenny actually getting shot at the back.
Look at G2 moving down towards that B side again, trying to sell out a fake on A, and Kenny is doing so successfully, leaving the op by himself to skirmish. No better man for the job. Slowly shifting down, 40 seconds on the clock. Very surprised at the lack of a rotation. I'm sure G2 will be too, as they're all spotted and taken down from the side by ships.
The massive kills, it gets them so much info. Kenny in the meantime had creeped forward on towards A, and despite knowing that ships had been in that position, they presumably would have rotated back in towards the bomb site, and okay, it doesn't matter. I was gonna say they could rotate back up through connector with the bomb, but there wasn't all that much time, so Kenny S just pushes in, finishes it off with another 2 kills for himself. And Contact, they're not looking great on Overpass so far. But it may not help them enough. Otto's already gone down. Emmy has been tagged up heavily as he's completely blind on the bomb site. But Esperanto shows up just as he's needed. Gets one, gets the follow-up headshot as well. And Kenny's been slowed down waiting for Aminek to come in to help him out. Oh my god, what was that second shot? The Tech 9, he's closing in the distance. He doesn't know the final player's close. But that second shot was ridiculous. Way too close for Contact. They do just about salvage the 4th round.
Of course you do if you're Brokey. His responsibility was tunnels. Now Kenny's making it all too clear where he's coming from. Leaping into the site. Brokey will hear it. He's only got a USP. I think Kenny might win this. Olos on the bricks, elevated above the smoke. And smart of him to reposition Kenny, however. He's only got the scout looking for Olos! And Kenny, yes! He continues to impress! Oh yes, 9 for G2.
G2's going to attack right into a stack, Anders. There's 3 players at this B bomb site, including Simple. Electronic is burning down to 34. Simple gave up the angle, but they're going to have to run through the Molotov. Flamey with 2 kills, and they've handled absolutely nothing. So this Na'Vi looks on point for the moment. Kenny S is going to burn Perfecto out of the corner, but he's got so much to deal with. There is a flank coming in through Market. Good find, good kill from Kenny. And there's a duel and a half. What a shot. But Boomich is right there behind.
From the likes of Kenny at the very least here for G2 as he looks to try to find a pick outside with the AWP. And he's going to be gifted that JW. Well, I shouldn't say gifted. That was a pretty legit prediction there from Kenny S to check how Ruckus and that's the bomb though. That's the problem. The bomb alone in lobby. That's not a good look. For all of Kenny's good work, there could be some serious obstacles in the way. Brown's trying to find a way to make a play. He might find a great timing, and that's 2. He will find a 3rd one, and that's really good information from Crims. I think he did really as well as you could expect. Crims will get a... Oh! I was about to say he's going to get a free one, but obviously not. Kenny is just going to smash him with the barrel of the gun.
He just whipped him with it.
Yeah, that was sexy stuff from Kenny. What a round from Kenny. He's really on point so far here today.
They could have maybe tried to just, you know, take another part of the map as soon as that kill comes through, but they're all grouped up. P250 here on Nexa. Actually, it's going to be Kenny to swing behind him. Flashbangs go everywhere, and Nexa will go down in the middle. Oh! That's a disgusting shot, though. Kenny sniping away at RPK through the smoke. Just, that was a very, very interesting shot.
1 versus 2, a combined 27 HP.
Yeah, I may have heard him running. The Molotov will surely force him forward. They're boosting behind, and Kenny, oh, he's gonna pick it up. A quad kill for him, all of them with the Deagle. That is one hell of a round.
It's because G2 are very aware of this B play, but okay, Zaiwu and Masuta, they've made it doable, they made it possible. Kenny fighting in the molly, and he lands that shot onto Zaiwu.
And this will be a bit of a surprising peak. Kenny should still be fast enough to hit the shot, but the timing falls off. They might hear those footsteps, but no capitalization. Smoke down, he spots the contact. Now he knows. Now he's ready. Shot hit. Going in for a second. He's found it. Kenny anymore? He's got them all. Bomb dropped, and the round might just be done here for FaZe.
RPK could do it all, and this is it. Vitality 3-on-3. They've worked so hard to get us to this third map. You think about Vertigo. They had to come back there. Well, now they've got to do it again. Oh, Kenny with a blinder. RPK. Sit down, as now it shocks and Masuta to try and keep the dream alive. The A site belongs to G2 once again. Shocks flash through the smoke. They've got his name, they've got his number, and now it's just Masuta, 1v3. The new boy on the block for Vitality, left to try and do it all in an impossible clutch. It's Kenny to send them home. G2.
12-3 T side. Let's see if they can get something rolling. This round meant to be shut down entirely. Like a clay.
Wicked quick! Oh my god! Did I get him excited? That was
I
nice.
saw Kenny just playing anti-flash there. He knew that was coming. And he's getting that information from his teammate Hunter.
Damn, they had no idea. That's about the bait and switch there. The fact that Kenny S has fired off an orb shot! A second one connects through the door. Nex's nade at the start will assist in the frag. It's a 5.